Hi everybody. Today I have tried Beauty Box for June 2021. Let's see what we got. It's always a little more exciting to get this one because it comes every other month. Okay, so first thing is, I need specs for this one. Okay, from Karma Co. This is a lip scrub. And the scent or the color is Birthday Cake. All right. Let's take a look at this. There's the jar. Oops, I dropped the little cap. It smells like birthday cake. Okay. I like that. And then next, this bag is stuffing. And here's the card I pulled out now. It says, thank you for your order. We hope that you enjoy your Try Beauty Box of the month. Share the love. Refer a friend and both of you will receive 10% off. So that's good. Okay, we have some stuff in bubble wrap. All right, first thing in this bag I see is, it's kind of heavy for such a small box. Oh, it's perfume. Modern Muse from Estee Lauder. Okay, that's nice. I've had a little sample of this before and I liked it. It's a pretty bottle. I'm wearing perfume right now, so I won't put it on, but I will smell it. It's a roller ball. Nice. Oh yeah, I remember this. I did like it. Okay. And then from Ofra, this is an eyebrow pen or pencil in the shade Universal. There it is. And there it is on my hand. Looks good. The formula is a little bit dry too, which I like. I don't like when they're too creamy and they can smudge too easily. So this is great. Oh, and then from Spoiled Cosmetics, I know what this is because I had to choose which one I wanted. This is an eyeshadow palette. And I chose Romantic Getaway. And there it is. Okay, it has nine eyeshadows in it. They're very pretty too. They have numbers on them instead of names, which is fine because I never really remember the names of the eyeshadows anyway. And then the final thing in here, oh, it's a set of brushes. Very nice. Set of Luxie Glimmer set. And you get the 520 tapered face brush, 522 tapered highlighter, 512 small contouring brush, 239 precision shader, and 205 tapered blending. Okay. There it is. This is very nice. handles are so pretty. Soft bristles. Okay. I can keep them in the holder for a while. Okay. The handles look kind of clear and pearlized. Very pretty. All right, so for the Tribe June 2021 beauty box, we got the Luxie brushes, the Karma Code lip scrub, the Estee Lauder perfume called Modern Muse, the Ofra brow pen in Universal, and the Spoiled Cosmetics eyeshadow palette. Okay, this is nice. I'm really happy with this month's box. And that's all I have for Tribe Beauty Box for June of 2021. Thank you for watching. Bye.